Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add a moving average on MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then go to insert here at the top left. Click on it. We have here indicator. Go to trend and choose moving average. This one. Click on it. Now we have here the period. You have to choose the period of your moving average. So I will choose, for example, the 20. This will be the 20 moving average. We have here a method. You can choose the method you want. So for me, I will keep it on simple. And we have here style. This is for the color. You can choose any color from here. So I will choose, for example, yellow. And this one is for the thickness of your moving average. So I will choose, for example, this one. Click on it and click on OK. And now, as you can see, this is our 20 moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.